Hey guys, it's Dave from Crux Motorsports. We're going to be showing you how to apply our pre-cut tail lamp tint on this Dodge Ram 1500. First, you're going to want to start with cleaning the tail lamp thoroughly, which we've already done. Go ahead and peel your tint from the backing paper that it comes on. You want to spray down the lamp with a alcohol and water mixture. I'll list the details in the product description below. Spray down the tint as well. You want to align the upper right hand portion of the tint and the top edge. Once you get that line, just go ahead and give it one squeegee stroke over, and then start to work yourself to the left. If you get a little fingering on this edge over here, just take a heat gun, gently heat it. There you have it. This is the red out tint. We do have this also available in a light and dark smoke. It's available on our website, www.cruxmoto.com. You can find the link in the description below. This is the only tint that we apply wet. If you go on our website, you'll see that there's air release films. There's 3 different ones. There's a light smoke, a dark smoke, and then a yellow as well. Then you have our other taillight tints that we sell, our wet application. It's not too bad on this truck. Probably take you all 10 minutes to do both sides. And we're in a pretty cold climate here. It's probably about 30 degrees outside right now. So, you know, even in a warmer temperature, you might be able to do this without a heat gun. If you have any questions, give us a shout. There's contact information on our website. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.